This Dalton Wade Real Estate Group property video is presented by Andrew Brusser. Florida luxury waterfront living at its finest. Most water frontage in the neighborhood at 122 feet. This renovated home features soaring ceilings, an open floor plan and a chef's kitchen that flows seamlessly into the living and dining areas. A stunning stone fireplace and wall of windows showcase breathtaking water views, while the spacious game room with wood ceilings is perfect for entertaining. Remote-controlled screen keeps the bugs out without losing the amazing view. Roof is 2 years old, new HVAC, gutters and pavers in the front and back. Property features 2 docks. Indoor-outdoor living blends effortlessly here. The ultimate Florida coastal lifestyle awaits. For more information, review the details below or contact Andrew Brusser.